Hola mis amores, this is Massi with Sparkle DIYs. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new friend here, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the videos I upload on this channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make this super cute and affordable Halloween tree using Dollar Tree items. I found this branch in my backyard and then I just removed the leaves, and now I'm just going to spray paint it black with a black paint spray. Okay, so now that it's dry, I am just applying Mud Podge with this brush, and then I'm just going to apply the Onyx colored glitter to the top of the Mud Podge. For my base, I am going to use this coaster and then 2 flower foams from Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna glue them using my hot glue gun. Once it dry, I painted it with a black acrylic paint and a very soft brush. You don't want to be too rough with this step because the floor foam might break in some parts since the paint is still wet. And then I just applied the glitter on top of the paint, and then I just let them dry for about 25 to 30 minutes. I'll be using this Halloween plastic eyeball for my ghost head and a napkin. Then I'm just going to wrap it up, making a bow with some twine. Now I'm drawing the eyes and mouth with the black marker. Now I am making a loop with some twine so I can hang it up in the tree, and then I'm just gonna glue it with my glue gun. I decided to add a little witch hat to the top. Now I'm just cutting little pieces of twine so I can hang the little pompons to the tree, and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue in the center. Then I'm going to add the twine. Then I'm going to pinch where I added the glue so the glue won't be visible. Now with the skeletons, they already came with the twine attached to them, so I just made a knot in the shape of a bow to hang them on the tree. And this is how the Halloween tree turned out. I think it looks so beautiful. The black with the glitter and the orange and all the colors is just stunning. You can also add lights and it makes it look even more beautiful. You can also just leave the pompons. You don't have to use the little skeletons if you think they're too creepy for you. Or you can ask your kids to make little crafts to hang on the tree, or you can just hang little things that they have made in school for Halloween. Or you can also use Halloween ornaments. Whatever you decide to hang on this tree, I am sure it's going to look gorgeous. For my second DIY, I'll be using this sign from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to paint it white with an acrylic white paint. With a gray color, I am painting stripes in a zigzag motion, even though I will still cover my mummy later on with some toilet paper. You can still see the stripes that we're painting right now. I will be repeating the same steps with a black and white acrylic paint. I am painting the eye area white, so later on when I add my silver glitter, it would really stand out. Once it dried, I added Mod Podge, and then I'm just going to add the glitter on top of the Mod Podge, and then I'm just going to shake the excess glitter off, and then I'm going to let it dry for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna get my toilet paper, and then I'm just going to go around the sign with the toilet paper without covering the glitter area. Now I'm going to glue the ends to the sign with my hot glue gun. Now I'm going to go around my sign one more time in the opposite direction with another piece of toilet paper. Now that I already have all the paper in place, I am going to cut the excess off, and then I'm just going to glue all the ends. Now, to make the toilet paper look less like a toilet paper, I am going to distress it with a little bit of gray paint. With these Dollar Tree letters that I already painted white with the acrylic white paint, I spelled the word boo, and then I'm just going to glue it on my sign. Then I will distress the letters with a little bit of gray paint. Now for my final step, I am going to add this cute little bow on top, and then I'm just going to distress it with the same gray paint. Okay, mis amores, thank you all so much for watching today's tutorials. I think these two DIYs turned out super cute. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description down below, and I will see you all soon. Bye!